I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crash Team Racing with 2 players. First, ensure you have 2 controllers connected to your console. From the main menu, select the Local Arcade option. This hub allows you to choose from various game modes, such as Race or Battle. After selecting your mode, you and your friend can pick your favorite characters and a track to begin the fun. Within the Local Arcade menu, you will find several exciting options for 2 players. The Race mode lets you compete head-to-head on any of the game's numerous tracks, aiming for first place. Alternatively, the Battle mode provides unique arenas where you can engage in chaotic item-based combat. Remember, Time Trial is a single-player challenge, so stick to Race or Battle for 2-player action. Once you have chosen your game mode, it is time to pick your racers and the course. Each player can select a unique character from the game's roster, with each character possessing slightly different stats for speed, acceleration, and handling. You can then choose from over 30 diverse racetracks, or if you are in Battle mode, select from several specially designed arenas, each offering unique layouts for strategic item use and thrilling combat. When playing with 2 players, the screen will automatically split, either horizontally or vertically, giving each player a clear view of their cart. To gain an edge, master the art of power sliding around corners for crucial speed boosts. Strategically use the various power-ups you collect from item boxes to hinder your opponent or protect yourself. Practice on different tracks to discover hidden shortcuts and optimal item box routes for victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.